any delay, let's start. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use will appear on both side of cash book. First computer virus is called Creeper. What it is called? Creeper. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Is a its primary function is performing calculations and logical operations. SSD. SSD stands for solid state drive. It is a storage device that uses integrated circuit to store data. SSD uses flash memory to store data. HDD, its full form is hard disk drive. It is a storage device that uses magnetic disk to store and retrieve digital data. It is used in laptops and desktop. SSD provides faster data access compared to HDD. SSDs uses flash memory while HDD uses or relies only on mechanical parts. Now, match the following. Router directs network traffic, switch connects devices, modem converts digital signals, access point extends Wi-Fi coverage. Dijkstra's algorithm finds shortest path in a graph. AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard, encrypts data securely. Quick sort efficiently sorts or arranges data. PageRank ranks web pages based on relevance. Now, another match the following. Ransomware encrypts data for ransom. Phishing sends deceptive emails to steal data. Keylogging captures keyboard inputs. DDoS, that is distributed denial of service. It overloads service with traffic. Let us know about DDoS. DDoS attack is a cybercrime that floods a targeted system with traffic to make it inaccessible or slows down its performance. Now, microservices are preferred for large scale application in the companies as it allows independent scaling of services. DNS stands for Domain Name Subsystem. It translates domain name into IP address. DNS is an internet protocol. Programming language primarily used for creating Android apps is Kotlin. Programming language primarily used for creating Android apps is Kotlin. Shortcut to open font dialog box in MS Word is Control plus Shift plus F. G2C, that is government to citizen. E-governance services are like online tax filing. That is, online tax filing is an example of G2C service. In computer networks, function of a subnet mask is to divide an IP address into network and host parts. Now let us know about cache memory. Cache memory is a small, fast storage area in computer that stores frequently used data and instructions. It is located between CPU and main memory. When CPU needs data, it first checks the cache memory. Cache memory is faster than RAM. Cache memory uses frequently used data for quick access. Now let us know about firewall. Firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing networks traffic based on configurable security rule. It establishes barrier between trusted and untrusted network. Firewall can be hardware or software. The capital of United Province of Agra and Awadh was shifted from Allahabad to Lucknow in 1921. Kharwar is a tribal community which resides in Mirzapur, Sonbhadra, Chandauli, Deoria and Gazipur district of Uttar Pradesh. Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. Nirala was his pen name. He wrote a poetry called Anamika. Obra Thermal Power Station, that is coal-fired power station. It is based in Sonbhadra, Uttar Pradesh. Now some libraries of Uttar Pradesh. Saraswati Bhavan Library, which is in Varanasi, was established in 1914. Rampur Raza Library, which is in Rampur, was established in 1774. Bharati Bhavan Library, that is in Prayagraj, it was established by Motilal Nehru in 1889. Allahabad Public Library was established in 1864. Now Fatwa Jahandar is written by Ziauddin Barni. The UPSRLM, that is Uttar Pradesh State Rural Livelihood Mission, made a provision of rupees 2,250 for vulnerable members of SC/ST under Risk Redressal Fund. Bakht Khan, he played a pivotal role in Indian national movement and he belongs to Bijnor district of UP. Mission Shakti was launched in 2020. It is a government of India scheme to empower women and improve their safety and security. It includes self-defense training and entrepreneurship development of women, 60 days Self-empowerment skill orientation training is also given under it. Under Uttar Pradesh Tourism Policy 2022, Mahabharat Circuit covers Mathura, Gonda, Prayagraj and Kaushambi districts of Uttar Pradesh. One-time incentive provided to consumer purchasing electric two-wheeler under UP Electric Vehicle Manufacturing and Mobility Policy 2022 is a purchase subsidy of 15% of ex-factory cost up to rupees 5,000 per vehicle. Paint My City campaign was launched by Indian Railways in Prayagraj. Charkula dance is a traditional dance of Uttar Pradesh that is performed during Holi and Janmashtami. Let's know about this dance. It involves balancing a circular wooden pyramid on one's head while dancing. The pyramid is decorated with 108 oil lamps arranged in a spiral. It is performed mainly in Braj region of Uttar Pradesh by the women. Total number of Rajya Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh is 31. UP government inaugurated Atal Yuva Mahakumbh in Lucknow. Shamli district of Uttar Pradesh shares border with Haryana state. UPSWC, that is Uttar Pradesh State Warehousing Corporation. It is jointly managed by center and state government. Warehousing means Godam. As per census 2011, the percentage of women in total population of UP is 47.71%. That means men would be 52.29%. Rasulan Bai, she is a famous Tumri Tappa singer of Banaras Gharana. Thank you. Now we will meet in the another video of UPSSC paper discussion. So please like, share and subscribe so that we can bring up more such videos that are helpful in upcoming UPSSC Junior Assistant Lekpal examinations. Thank you.